So this is the Glowup 2025 Part 2, and the Part 1 is in my description box. Let's dive in. Hair Glowup. No heat needed. Okay, listen up besties. This summer, we are not frying our hair with straighteners and blow dryers. Nope, we're letting it breathe. Natural, effortless hair is the real flex, and I've got some super easy hacks to make it look gorgeous without the damage. Trend alert! Want to wake up with perfect curls? Forget heat tools. Just use ribbons or claw clips before bed. Trust me, you'll get those soft bouncy curls without any heat damage. Plus, it looks super cute while you're doing it. Hack. Ever noticed how hair smells kinda sweaty in summer? Yeah, not cute. That's why hair perfume is a must. Just a few sprays and your hair stays fresh, clean, and smelling amazing all day. DIY magic. Alright, dry hair, frizz? No problem. Mix a little aloe vera gel with coconut oil and run it through your strands. It hydrates without making your hair greasy. Like, how perfect is that? So, who's ready to say bye-bye to heat tools and hello to healthy, flawless hair? Real hygiene glow-up girl talk only. Okay girlies, let's get into the real stuff that most people are too shy to talk about. But we're besties here, right? So I got you. Let's break it down. Underarm care, no more musty vibes. Bestie, deodorant isn't enough anymore. We're exfoliating our underarms too, 3 times a week to prevent darkness and ingrown hairs, okay? Use a gentle scrub or even a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid. Trust me, smooth, plus clean underarms, a total win. Bikini area, keep it cute and clean. Whatever you do, shave, wax, or go natural. Cleanliness is key. Use a fragrance-free, pH-balanced intimate wash, not your regular soap, babe. And wear cotton undies. They let your skin breathe and help avoid irritation. Pro tip, exfoliate gently here too to avoid ingrowns. You'll feel so much fresher, promise. Sweat. Management. Stay dry, stay confident. If you sweat a lot, like palms, back, inner thighs, yep, we're talking about it. Try using a body powder or an antiperspirant spray on those areas. And if your inner thighs get sticky, baby powder or anti-chafing cream is your new BFF. Game changer, okay? Innerwear hygiene. Let's be real. Want to keep it 100% fresh. Here's how. Wash your bras and panties after every use. No re-wearing, even if it looks clean. Just don't. So bestie, which hygiene glow-up are you starting today? Let's chat in the comments. You know I'm always here for my girlies.